know you wanted me to stay, but I can't ignore the crazy visions of me in LA. I heard that there's a special place where boys and girls can all be queens every single day. I'm having weekend dreams of leaving Tennessee or Santa Monica. I swear it's calling me. I want my mama proud. It's gonna cause a scene. She sees her baby girl. I know she's gonna scream. God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance in the club. Oh my, I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club. I'm up with joy.